Ancient Greek philosopher, scientist, polymath Aristotle said, all virtue is summed up in dealing justly, meaning we basically can be considered to have basically attained, developed, and mastered all the possible virtues in the world concerning human character when we have mastered the ability to basically deal with each and everyone with equality, respect, liberty, justice, freedom, under all circumstances and situations, no matter how great the internal pressure, envy, aggression, desperation, or the other aggravating qualities may be, or no matter the destructive, dangerous, and disrespectful external circumstances, societal conditions, judgments, assessments regarding our character, mentality, authenticity, etc. But when we are able to deal with everyone and everything with justice, virtue, morality, meaning, significance, liberty, equality, and fairness, keeping in mind that discrimination and violence does not lead to any positive consequences or outcomes for anyone in the society, then we obviously become a wise, intelligent, moral, meaningful, significant, and we also become, not only for ourselves but also for the others, admirable, respectable, lovable, honorable, and obviously worth admiring in one way or another, because we become worthy of admiration, respect, and suggestion from the others. So that's how it works. And there are different fundamental, imperative, and necessary virtues in the world that can be developed and pursued and integrated into the human character, such as the virtue of character, integrity, morality, moderation, maturity, responsibility, sovereignty, individuality, distinction, courage, and so on and so forth. But the thing is, when we are able to deal with external affairs and outside society's circumstances and peoples justly, equally, fairly, responsibly, reasonably, and intelligently, by basically managing our internal anger, aggression, arrogance, and by not giving in to our psychological temptations and mental lusts for validation, attention, possession, etc. And obviously, we obviously have mastered the virtue of justice, equality, fairness, and we can be considered to have integrity, morality, character within ourselves and inside of our psychology and mind that enables us and tells us to deal with everything and everyone with patience, toleration, justice, liberty, equality, fairness, and to basically